The first thing we're going to do is establish the elevation starter height following your local building code. This is where we will install the perforated starter track, also known as the P41. The P41 is in the shape of a J, and it's perforated at the bottom to allow airflow and any water, if it did enter the system, to easily drain out. Once you have measured and cut the P41 to the correct length, make a 1-inch notch to the face of the P41 at every inside corner, outside corner, and termination. Notching is necessary to allow for top cap installation later in the process. To do this, simply use a pair of tin snips to cut the tab, then bend and snap the tab off with pliers or using the same pair of tin snips. The P41 is to be installed on top of the air-water barrier system. It is secured along the fastener line using plank backers and the provided screws. Plank backers are to be installed at 16-inch on center and no closer than 2 inches from each end. Whenever you're installing an outside corner or inside corner, it is imperative to make sure that the P41 at the bottom is flush, and this is to ensure that the plank are parallel to each other. Remember, you can butt the P41 trims together if the distance of the wall exceeds the length of a single trim, but do not overlap the trims, just simply butt them.